So far, the most of the verbs we looked at are I verbs. Читай, отдыхай, работай, читать, отдыхать, работать. These are all I stems. This is the first conjugation or ye conjugation, meaning they feature ye in the endings. Ешь, ем, ете. So when you conjugate these verbs, you get читаешь, отдыхайте, работаем. We also know non-suffixed verb жить, and the stem is жив. This is also first conjugation verb, with the only difference is that it features yo in the ending, not ye. Ешь, ем, ете. So ты живешь, вы живете, мы живем. So as you know, we have two conjugation types for verbs in present. We have first conjugation and second conjugation. First conjugation is ye conjugation because we have ye vowel in most endings, and second conjugation is e conjugation because it features e in the endings other than ya and ani. Only 3 stems belong to second conjugation. These are i, ye, ja. All other stems belong to first conjugation. So I verbs and non-suffixed verbs that we know are all first conjugation. Let's take a look at E stem. This is the second conjugation verbs. There are thousands of verbs that belong to E stem, and one of the most common verbs is говорить, to speak. So the stem for говорить is говори. You see E at the end. It's an E stem, which means the suffix is E, and the stress is stable. Говорит falls on the ending. So when you conjugate говорить, you add the endings of second conjugation. You add you in ya, ish, it, im, iti, at, or yat in any form. So the forms you get in the present are говорю, я говорю, ты говоришь, он говорит, мы говорим, вы говорите, они говорят. Once again, the verbs of the second conjugation will feature e in most endings, and endings other than я and они. Говоришь, говорит, говорим, говорите. And in the они form, you will have the ending ят, not ut or ut. That will appear in the first conjugation verbs. Can you conjugate another very common second conjugation verb, курить, which means to smoke? I hope it doesn't apply to any of you. Once again, to conjugate курить, we need to take the stem, which is кури, and add those endings. So what do we get? Well, since it doesn't apply to any of us, we need to add не. Я не курю. Ты не куришь. Он не курит. Мы не курим. Вы не курите. Они не курят. Look at the non-smoking sign that demonstrate the different forms of the word курить. So, не курить, right? Infinitive. Я не курю. Я form. И это мне нравится. And I like that. Здесь не курят. Они form. Не курят. They don't smoke. People don't smoke. Мы не курим. Мы не курим. Присоединяйся. Join us. Раньше Евгений курил. А сейчас Евгений не курит.